first elevator at Lovell Pl in Erie, Pennsylvania. It's an Otis Series 1, newer. Center opening doors. Oh, it went down a little. It's interesting. Columns in here inside. It's pretty tall. Up to 4. Late 90s. Here we go. This elevator 1. Blue doors on the outside. A little vibrating. Apparently there's 2 more Otises here, and then there's 3 Dover Sealers, according to records. Here are 4. The line part doesn't work, just the triangle part. It's pretty nice, cool looking. Open air Adrian skylight. Thing looks tiled out. Maybe it used to be like a full edge. Put it on one. Certificates in the office. 85. It's a basic tall cab. Kind of clicky. Fans off, look. Judging by the shape of the fan, it looks like it's one of the jet engine fans. Otis jet engine fans. Here I got 1. And that's gonna be it.